Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Kerri again. I thought today I would do chapel with you, and we're going to do Jonah and the whale, and that is from the Bible, Jonah 1 through 4. So I need to ask you guys a question. Have you ever disobeyed your parents or grown up? What happened? Did you get in trouble? I bet you did. So in our story today, Jonah disobeys God. So let's see what happens to Jonah. Long ago, there was a city called Nineveh, filled with wicked people. God wanted to fix the evil city, so he asked faithful Jonah to help him. Please go to Nineveh and teach the wicked people to follow my laws and change their ways, or I will destroy the city and all the people in it. God still loved the people of Nineveh and wanted to give them a chance to do what was right. Jonah disliked the Ninevites and thought to himself, I don't want to warn them. They are evil and don't deserve God's love. The people should be punished for them being bad. I will not go. Jonah decided, I will hide from God and sail to the city of Tarshish. He will not find me there. While the ship to Tarshish set sail, Jonah hid from God beneath the deck of the ship and fell asleep. God will not find me here. I'll sleep until I arrive at Tarshish. But God knew exactly where Jonah was, and he sent a great wind that whipped the water into a terrible storm. Help, 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 cried the frightened sailors. The ship was breaking into pieces, so they prayed to their gods to save them while Jonah was fast asleep below the deck. The captain went below the deck, where he found Jonah asleep. What are you doing? Wake up and pray to your God to save us before we all drown. The sailors drew lots to find out who was to blame for the storm. The name drawn was Jonah's. Jonah said, I am cause of the trouble. I ran away and disobeyed God. Throw me overboard, and the sea will be calm again. Although they did not want to, the terrified sailors picked up Jonah and threw him into the raging sea. Immediately, the wind stopped blowing and the waves became still. Jonah sank deep, deep down into the sea, but God did not want Jonah to drown. God still had a plan for Jonah. Then, to Jonah's surprise, a giant whale appeared and swallowed him whole. Oh no, what will become of me? Jonah thought. This is the biggest whale I have ever seen. Jonah lived in the belly of the whale for 3 days and 3 nights. All alone and scared, Jonah prayed to God from inside the whale. Thank you for sparing me, God. I am so sorry I disobeyed you, and I'm ready to do as you ask. God heard Jonah's prayers and commanded the whale to land Jonah safely onto the shore. And it did. Jonah sailed through the air and landed on the sandy beach. Again, God told Jonah, go to the people in Nineveh and warn them to stop being wicked, or they will be destroyed. Jonah obeyed God and hurried to Nineveh. He walked through the streets, crying out, people of Nineveh, repent and turn to God, or in 40 days he will destroy you and your city. The king of Nineveh and all his people, knowing that they had done wrong, begged God to spare them and promised they would obey his word. God was glad that he did not have to punish the people after all. He heard their prayers and was merciful to the people of Nineveh. Guys, what did you think of our story? Wasn't that crazy how a whale swallowed Jonah? Well, he did disobey. And even though God would not send a whale to swallow us up, he does love us. But we do need to realize that we do need to obey. We need to obey our teachers and our parents, especially our parents. So let's try to be good and try to obey. Thank you guys so much for listening. See you soon. Bye.